Okay, let's talk about the drum set. So, first things first, you want to make sure you get all of your equipment situated. So you have your hi-hat, snare drum at about waist height. I always think of like right below my belt buckle. We have the bass drum, tom drums, ride cymbal, and usually I'd have a crash cymbal right here, but I just want to make sure you can see the snare drum for this video. So we're going to start off with a simple rock beat. It's 4 beats per bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be bass drum on 1 and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Snare drum on 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Together it's going to sound like this. During that time, you're going to have the hi-hat on 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so start with this. So if that's too difficult, if you're starting to short circuit, what you can do is hit the hi-hat with each instrument and practice doubling it. Once you get that down, then you want to add little things like an extra 8th note beat in the bass drum. Same thing. Another beat you can use is a swing beat. And so this is used for jazz music. And the accent, instead of being on 1 and 3, it's on 2 and 4. And whereas rock is very focused on the bass drum and the snare drum, jazz is very focused on the cymbals. So you want the hi-hat on 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The cymbal does a swing rhythm. You can think of it as door, shut the door, shut the door, dooba, 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 boom, boom, boom. Okay, and then putting it together. And then you add the snare drum on the ends of those beats. 1, 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, so practice that. So swing beat. So think about those things for the beat, and make sure your drum set is set up in the right way so you're able to reach all the drums. You're not moving it too high or too low. It's all within the same zone of playing. Okay, so check that out.